All right, everyone, let me share with you today this Bissell PowerForce Helix Turbo Pet Vacuum. I like the canister. It's clear. You could see through it. So once you're vacuuming, you can see how full it is when it's ready for emptying. No guessing there. Down here, we have 5 different settings. The lowest one says bare floor. And the highest one says high carpet. Obviously, you could just twist this and adjust it depending on the surface that you are vacuuming. So the onboard attachments you're going to see, again, here is the TurboBrush Pet. Put this on. I'll demonstrate it in a minute. This is spin around and it helps brush up all that pet hair. Around back, you see the long suction hose. You have a brush down here. Easily comes off. You can store it there. You have some extra tubing here that also has a little nozzle here that can go on the end. On the back, you have your cord storage where you can wrap it around and it has a quick release. Just do that. Get the cord off really quick, nice and easy. One of the things that I really like is this really long cord. You can see it's 25 feet long. The particular reasons I bought this particular vacuum is the suction. This thing is very powerful. It has really great suction. I'm going to demonstrate using it now. See, it's got really great suction. Now the piece I was talking about, this TurboBrush, the pet head here. You can hear the suction on it. So the reason I recommend this vacuum is it's got great suction power and it's at a good affordable price.